Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Goldbely. That's right, Goldbely, and I'm almost tempted to sing the theme to Goldfinger from the James Bond movie, but I won't do that. Instead, I'll tell you about Goldbely, which is a website that allows you to try gourmet food from all across the country and get it shipped directly to you. That's right. There are online retailers or restaurants that are wanting to get their food out to you. So that's where Goldbelly comes in. Allows you to go online, browse the website, and find regional gourmet food that you like and have it shipped directly to you. We're going to switch screens here and take a look at Goldbelly and see how you can enjoy some yummy regional food. As always, we've got to switch screens here, and one of these days I'll get it right. There we go. There's Goldbelly. Yummy, yummy, yummy Goldbelly. So the way it works is this: you can browse what's on sale at a website or at the website. Say you wanted some hand cut hot pastrami sandwich kit. You can go to the website, add it to your online cart, and get it shipped directly to you. If you want to find foods that are in season, the time we're shooting this video, Mardi Gras is coming up. So you can find different Mardi Gras foods from authentic Mardi Gras restaurants. A lot of these are coming from Gambino's Bakery King Cakes. And there's another one from Three Brothers Bakery. And it'll tell you the region of the United States where these items are coming from. So some of these are coming directly from New Orleans. So if you wanted some Mardi Gras food, New Orleans style, you can get it from there. Or you can try other southern cities, such as Houston, Texas. And I don't see any other regions on here. Most of this is coming out of New Orleans. If you go back to the main Goldbelly site, you can find different foods for different occasions. Say you want some Honeybell oranges, you can get them made by Orange Ring Citrus directly from Fort Pierce, Florida. Let's say that you want, well, we've already done the pastrami kit. There's pizza from different regions, so you can definitely click on pizza, heart themed pizza, and you can get it directly from New York. And I knew I saw a deli here, but anyway, this kind of gives you an idea of the way it works. Now, let's say if you wanted to go in specific regions. As you can see, the top states are New York, California, and Texas, but you can choose a specific region. So we'll choose the Midwest, and you can get some Detroit-style pizza, Pappy Smokehouse ribs. There's Geno's East in Chicago, Illinois. You can also look and pinpoint the specific city that you want to get food from. So let's say you want to get food from the Midwest in Kansas. You click on your state and you'll see the restaurants that are selling their wares over the internet. So you can get some Joe's Kansas City Barbecue or Meat Mitch. So if you click on the site, it allows you to order specific things from Joe's Kansas City because they do sell online. For those in the Kansas City area, I believe I also sold Jack Stack Barbecue on there. So if you wanted to send some Jack Stack to someone across the nation, you can do that directly from Goldbelly as well. You can also go to Goldbelly and choose by food. So if you need gluten-free cheesecakes or even seafood, which is very important for us in the Midwest that are not any not near any large bodies of water, you could click on seafood and choose to get seafood directly from coastal cities like lobster and salmon and other aquatic food. So check out Goldbelly, great website for those foodies that want to enjoy regional food but don't want to make the journey to those cities. Get it shipped directly to you, enjoy some yummy food, and get some chowder, bisque, and broth. Anyway, check out Goldbelly, folks. You'll love it. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what other tech tips that you would like to see in future videos. Also, if you're wanting tech tips, check us out on social media. You can check us out at Integral or myself, Burton Kelso, the technology expert, on all of the social media networks. And don't forget to subscribe. One of these days I'll get that word right. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find great videos there that will help you get the most out of the technology you use every day. So, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.